Hey, Jason Stretch here, the owner of Legendary Automotive. Cooling systems, every vehicle's got one. They're very important both to keep your car cool or keep it warm, and there are aspects to the coolant that need to be paid attention to on a regular basis. At Legendary Automotive, every time we see a customer's vehicle, we actually test the antifreeze, the coolant in the vehicle, for both the freezing protection level and the pH. So as you can see here, we're not just looking at the coolant and guessing and telling the customer, hey, we recommend doing a coolant change based on the mileage or some other BS. We're actually testing it. And you can see here that the freezing protection level, the boiling point, is awesome on this Jeep. However, if we go and we look at the acidity level, well, look at that. The acidity level is very high. So this should be replaced. So with this twin turbo X5 BMW, we're checking for the freezing and boiling point, and we can see that it's good here. And then when we move down to the pH level, it looks amazing. So this vehicle's coolant is in perfect condition and does not require a change. So it's very important to maintain your cooling system. Check it on a regular basis. Every 5,000 miles is what we recommend that you check this. And that just helps prevent the chances of costly cooling system repairs, such as radiators and even an engine replacement can be caused due to lack of regular cooling system maintenance. So come to Legendary Automotive and we'll be happy to take a look at your cooling system if you have any problems. Thank you so much.